To import your projects from Jira into awork, you have to create an API token in Jira first. Go to Jira and click on your account settings. From here, you go to the security bar and go to your API tokens and click on Create and Manage API Tokens. Here you can now create an API token on the upper right. Give it a fitting name and also think about the expiry date for it. Now copy that token. Now you can go back to awork, go to the settings on the left bar, and go to the importer and click to the Jira Importer. Here you can type in your API token, your email address, and your domain name. Select the project you want to transfer, and click on Next. You can also decide here if you want to change the project type or the project template in. Make sure that everything is mapped accordingly. Also decide if you want to import subtasks, comments, or attachments, and continue with the import. Now you can start the import. When your import is successful and completed, you can go back to awork and see the project in your project tab. And done. Your projects from Jira are now in awork.